Hey guys, so in this video today, I'll be showing you guys how you can get free stuff on TEMU. So I'll be showing you in this video how you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and get right into that. Now make sure you actually have an account created with TEMU. It's very easy to do. You can sign up with Google or you can sign up with a regular email. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on the U page here at the bottom. Now you should get brought up to this page right here. Now there's going to be a lot of settings and sections here. Now make your way to the bottom and to the fourth to the last, there's going to be earn credits and free gifts. Now go ahead and click on that option there. Once you do that, you'll be able to see that we actually do have a couple of things here. Now, we do have the first two, which are going to be the ones we want to go ahead and click on. We're going to want to go ahead and click on the very first one. So you can see here, free gifts, new arrivals for you. So all we have to do is click get now. Once we do that, it's going to say right here, thank you for your support. We're giving you a free gifts. So basically, it's going to go ahead and just guide you here. You're going to want to go ahead and just click pick here, and it's going to give you 5 free gifts, guys. It's absolutely insane. So basically, you're just going to want to go through the process. It's going to want to go ahead and pick your gifts for you here. So you can pick anything you want. So you can see here, we actually do have a few things, a monitor, 165 hertz, or a OBD2. I do need that OBD2 because my car has broken down. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm the gift here. You can see we picked our first gift. So that's how you get free gifts on TEMU. Hopefully you found the video helpful. See you guys until next time.